When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, it's often the little details that make the biggest impact. One such detail that can transform your home is the installation of permanent Christmas lights. While they are traditionally associated with the holiday season, permanent Christmas lights in Plano can offer year-round beauty, adding a unique flair to your home's exterior no matter the time of year. These lights not only make your house stand out during the holidays but also provide lasting curb appeal, security, and a sense of festive warmth throughout the entire year. Here's how permanent Christmas lights can boost your home's curb appeal year-round. Long-term aesthetic appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of installing permanent Christmas lights is the aesthetic improvement they bring to your home's exterior. These lights can be customized to match the style and character of your house, enhancing its appearance no matter the season. Customizable colors and designs. Unlike traditional holiday lights, permanent Christmas lights are fully customizable. Whether you want a classic white light look or opt for vibrant multicolored displays, permanent lights can match your home's aesthetic or the season's mood. You can easily change the colors for different holidays or even special events like birthdays or anniversaries. Elegant and timeless. The sleek, built-in design of permanent Christmas lights gives a polished, modern look to your home without the need for the usual tangled mess of seasonal lights. These permanent fixtures blend seamlessly into your home's architecture, creating a refined appearance that can last year-round. By adding permanent Christmas lights to your home, you'll create a year-round visual interest that elevates its curb appeal and provides a consistent aesthetic enhancement. Enhanced holiday spirit and festivity. While permanent Christmas lights offer beauty throughout the year, their most significant impact is felt during the holiday season. When your neighborhood is lit up with festive lights, your home can become the centerpiece of holiday cheer in Plano. Easy holiday decor. With permanent lights, you'll never have to worry about climbing ladders to install your holiday lights again. Simply change the color scheme to red and green, or opt for a classic white winter look for Christmas. You can even set timers to turn the lights on and off at specific times, adding convenience to your holiday decorations. Year-round festivity. Beyond Christmas, permanent lights are great for adding a celebratory touch for other holidays like Halloween, Valentine's Day, or 4th of July. With a press of a button, you can change the color of your lights to reflect the season or special events, ensuring that your home always feels festive. With permanent Christmas lights, your home will radiate warmth and holiday spirit throughout the year, making it a welcoming sight for both family and neighbors. Increased home value. While aesthetics are an essential part of curb appeal, improving your home's exterior can also increase its market value. Permanent Christmas lights are a modern and attractive addition that can set your home apart from others in the neighborhood, especially when it's time to sell. Desirable feature for buyers. Home buyers in Plano are often drawn to homes with unique features that offer both functionality and beauty. Permanent lighting systems can increase the appeal of your home without the hassle of seasonal decorations, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Low maintenance, high return. Permanent Christmas lights are durable and require little maintenance, offering an excellent return on investment. Once installed, they become a permanent feature that adds value and charm to your property. The lights are designed to withstand weather elements, ensuring they remain in good condition for many years. For homeowners looking to increase their home's marketability or simply enhance its appearance, permanent Christmas lights offer a cost-effective and high-impact solution. Improved security and visibility. While the aesthetic benefits of permanent Christmas lights are clear, these lights can also enhance the security of your home. A well-lit home is less likely to be a target for intruders, as the exterior is clearly visible to both passers-by and security cameras. Year-round lighting. Permanent lights provide consistent lighting around the year, offering extra visibility during the night. Whether you're arriving home late at night or entertaining guests in the evening, the well-lit exterior of your home adds an element of security and comfort. Lighting pathways and entryways. You can use your permanent Christmas lights to illuminate key areas of your property, such as walkways, driveways, and front doors. This ensures safety for family members, guests, and delivery personnel while also deterring any suspicious activity around your home. By improving the visibility and security of your home, permanent Christmas lights add both beauty and functionality to your property. Energy efficiency. Many homeowners are concerned about the energy consumption of traditional holiday lights, especially if they are left on for long periods. Permanent Christmas lights offer a more energy-efficient solution. They typically use LED bulbs, which consume significantly less power than traditional incandescent lights. Low energy consumption. LED lights are energy efficient and cost-effective, ensuring that you can keep your home illuminated without worrying about sky-high electric bills. Over time, this can save you a substantial amount of money compared to using traditional Christmas lights, which often require frequent bulb replacements. Environmental benefits. Permanent Christmas lights are a more eco-friendly option, as they use less power and last longer than standard lights. If you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint while still enjoying beautiful lighting year-round, LED lights are the way to go. Conclusion. Permanent Christmas lights in Plano are a smart investment that not only boosts your home's curb appeal during the holidays but also provides lasting beauty, energy efficiency, and security throughout the year. With customizable options, enhanced visibility, and increased home value, these lights offer both practical and aesthetic benefits. Whether you're looking to create a festive atmosphere, improve security, or increase your home's marketability, permanent Christmas lights are an easy and effective way to elevate your home's exterior and ensure it stands out in the neighborhood.